Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We are always grateful that you join us. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can connect your Shopify store to Facebook and to Instagram. Now, you notice that sometimes you may have so many people on your Facebook account and that does not translate maybe to sales, yet you have business on Shopify. Now, you may need to make sure that your Shopify is connected to your Facebook and to your Instagram so that your followers on Facebook or on Instagram have access to what you also sell on Shopify. Now, to link these two, it's not a tedious process. What you'll need is you'll need to have a Facebook business account, and then you'll also need to have your Shopify account. Now, creating these two accounts is free. You basically need to go to shopify.com, and I'll be leaving a link to that in the description of this video. And then to register there, you'll need to have your email address and then a password. You register, you verify your email address, and then you'll be able to come to your Shopify. The same thing with Facebook business. You just need a Facebook account, which you register using either your phone number or your email and a password. So on shopify.com, if you have an account, you simply click on login. If you don't have an account, you click on start for free. And as I have said, the registration process is so easy. So I'll click on login because I already have an account with Shopify. And that will bring me to my Shopify account here. I'll click on my store, which will be bringing me to my Shopify store. And remember here, my Facebook business suite is already opened. So there are two ways to do that. Let me first go to Shopify. You now notice that my store has been opened here. So down here where we have apps, I'll click on add apps. So you notice here we don't see Facebook and Instagram, but we have Instagram feeds here. So if you cannot see it, you simply scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. And then you'll give it time. And then once it brings you here, you'll type Facebook and Instagram. So you notice here, we have the Facebook and Instagram, and we have the Instagram shop and Facebook shop. And then we also have these others, Instagram shop and Facebook shop. We can also try the first one here. If we click on that, you notice here we can click on add the app, and you can view a demo store here if you need to, but you can also directly click on add app. Down here, you notice that you can bring your products in front of your Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram followers directly from your Shopify store, selling on FB and Instagram feed, and then this will help convert more sales. And the pricing here, you notice we have the free version, and then we have the $9.99 per month, which is the pro version. And you notice this one has very good reviews. You come up here, you click on add app, and you will now notice that Instagram and Facebook shop want to access your store. So you click on install app at the top here. And if it comes to a time when you don't need this to have access again, you simply delete. You notice here, deleting this app from your store will remove its access and request the removal of customer information if it was collected. So this is something that you should not worry about, in that if you want to remove it, you can simply remove it. So you click on install app, which will now bring you to this site where now you can either select a plan here, and then you can also make the changes here. Here you can connect your social accounts. So you notice here you can do auto post to the social, you can post location with tags supported, and then you can synchronize your posts from one platform. So now if I click on here, set up shoppable posts, you can notice here I can connect that to Facebook, to Instagram, and to Twitter. Then I can do product synchronization and auto post. Here, I can do the setup here. So if now I want to connect it to Facebook, I simply come here and click on Facebook. And you notice my account here is already logged in. So it will require me now to log in to this account. So log in to another account or log into this account. Because this is the account I want to use, I'll scroll down here and click on continue as Josh. So choose the pages that you want Biobiogo page to connect to access. So I can opt in all the current and future pages, or I can opt into the current page only. I'll choose just one and click on continue. Then you review all the details here. You manage comments on your page. You can read content posted on the page. You can show a listing. If you're satisfied with all this, you click on save. And you notice that now JoshNet page has been connected. To manage this connection, you go to business integrations. So if I click now on business integrations on my Facebook, you now notice we have our account connected here. If now I don't want this account, I can simply click on remove here. Now, if I click back again to my business accounts here and I click on tools here, all tools, I can come here to business apps, and then under all apps, I can look for Shopify. So now I can select this first one here, Shopify. Then I click on connect. Then you notice here now we have create funnel events in Facebook conversions from new paid orders in Shopify. I can choose the workflow that I would need here, and then I can click on use this Zap. So at the top here, you notice that Facebook conversions and Shopify automation lets you send info between Facebook conversions and Shopify automatically with no code required. So if you already have a Zapier account, you connect to that also. But we can use the workflow for Facebook here. For instance, if I click on the first one, use this Zap here, where now I'll be using the Zapier to connect that. I have to log in and edit that. So you notice now that is the second way to make the connection there. And that is simply how you can connect your Shopify store to a Facebook. If now I come back where we have Facebook and Instagram shop under my Shopify, you notice I can look at the overview there. Here on the top left corner, I can look for the shoppable posts, and you notice how it looks here in this sample given here. Then I can look for auto posts. These are posts that are prompted and sent. You notice auto post campaign setup. I can set it up from Shopify. I can click on that. And then down here, I can choose the campaign type. Is it a daily post or is it a new product post? I choose on one of them. And then I choose the account post will be published. Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? Is it Twitter? Maybe I want it to be on Facebook. I'll simply click on Facebook there. And now you notice it asks me to connect to my account. So now I click on connect, it will bring me to my account with the product that I was selling. So I'll click on connect. I had the cards and there we have it. So I click on connect Facebook there. So you will notice we have it there. Reconnect Josh to this. I click on reconnect, and then I can go to my business or I can click on got it. And so now you notice here we have our messenger has been connected. So you notice here now we have our Facebook pages connected here with auto post, and we can also schedule a post, and we can also do a shoppable post. So that is how now we can connect our Facebook page to Shopify. So to connect to Instagram now, it's so easy. You simply click on connect to Instagram, and then you will just follow the process the same way we have connected Facebook here. That's the same way you are going to connect your Instagram here. So you click here, connect, and then you'll also be able now to access your pages here. I hope that has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.